What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm outside of a gas station right now. I wanted to give you a small update. So I just got the super chat installed on my YouTube page. So for those who want to start engaging in the live activities when we're talking about certain things, please feel free to engage. Like I say, this is a welding community. I am a black welder, so majority of the time I'm speaking to my black welders, but this community is for anyone who want to weld. So don't pass judgment. A lot of our conversations are going to be about black issues, black things, because we're black people. But I'm willing to network and give anyone the information that needs it. So just don't be biased, don't be prejudiced. When you come to the channel and you want to engage with us, a lot of times it's going to be a lot of, like I say, it's a black community, but I'm open to network with anyone. But my goal is to teach my African American people, my black natives, a business, a trade, and show them how we can get ahead and have some intelligent conversations and motivate one another, and keep us in the game, man. Keep our focus and make sure that we're on the right path. So if you feel free to network with me, man, on the super chat, make sure you check in. HogOn.